Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm going to walk you through on how to make your own wish list. Let's go. First things first, click on the link that I've sent you, or you can plug any one of these URLs to get to my website or to the wish list directly. If you want to get to the wish list directly, it's located down bottom. But if you're going to my personal webpage, pamperedchef.com, PWS/C Owens, you're going to have to look up in your right hand corner where it says wish list and right next to registry above my picture and click on that to get to the wish list directly. After you've clicked on wish list, here's the wish list landing page. As you can see, you can find a wish list, manage your wish list, or create one. If you've already created a wish list, then you can add to it by clicking on your wish list. If you're trying to find someone else's wish list, you put in their information and it'll take you right there. But today we're going to create your own very first wish list. So click on create a wish list. Now you'll see that it will take you to sign in if you're a return customer or click on create an account now. So if you're new to this, then I would suggest an account now. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to fill in all your information. If you have a Facebook page, you can click continue with Facebook and it'll pre-populate all your information in. If not, then click and put all your personal information in, your name, your address, cell phone number, all of that jazz. And that will put your wish list information or your account information in so that you won't have to do it ever again. So after you've done this, click next. Once you've done that, you've completed this information, you'll get this page, registration complete. Then next thing you want to do is click on shop. The shop button will take you to all of our products so that way you can start to just add tons of items to your wish list. So I'm going to do the first one with you so that you can kind of walk through the process. So I wanted the saute tongs added to my wish list, so I clicked on the picture. And I would be remiss if I didn't tell you that you can subscribe down bottom because that's going to pop up automatically so that you and I can keep in touch and you can get more recipes and deal information every month as deals and recipes come up. The next thing I wanted to do after I clicked on the saute tongs, it took me to the information page. So it told me all about what saute tongs do and things of that information, the product details. So as you can see, it says add to cart or my wish list. The first thing you're going to want to do is click on the little heart because that'll add this to your wish list. After that, it'll take you to create a wish list. You'll only have to do this once or multiple times if you're creating multiple wish lists. So the first thing it's going to ask you is what occasion are you looking to do? There's wedding, housewarming, charity, a variety of holidays, birthday, anniversary, and other. So you can click on what is appropriate for you. The next thing it'll ask you is to put in a date. So I said housewarming. You put in a date, even if you don't have per se a date. Just put in any arbitrary date. It's just so that it populates the information. Then you want to give a unique name to your wish list. So I just said my house list. Then the next thing this is going to ask you, do you want to make it searchable? So if you want to share this list with friends and family that might want to purchase something for you, you can do that. You want to do that if you're doing a wedding registry, anniversary registry, housewarming registry, and things of that nature. Make it searchable so that friends and family can get to it. The next thing it's going to ask you for is your shipping information. So you're going to want to click yes and yes for making it searchable and your shipping information so that it gets direct shipped to you when someone makes a purchase on your behalf. Then it'll ask you one final question, create a wish list. You'll click on that. Then voila, your wish list is created. The next thing you want to do is click the browse products because you want to add more than one item, of course, to your wish list, and just keep browsing the products. As you can see on my house list, which is my wish list page, I added a couple of more items just to show you how it gets done. You see I added the insulated serving bowls. Those are great for when you are going to someone's house, and they look really pretty and they travel nicely. The wood salad bowl and server set, that is absolutely gorgeous. You want to get that. So just add tons of items to your wish list. And so that you and I can keep in contact, and I'll let you know when deals come up on any of those items that you put on your wish list, because I do check this every month against our current sales and product deals. And that is pretty much it. If your wish list is bigger than your wallet, book your own shop and share. Get some friends and family together to help you earn free and deeply discounted products. And that's it. Thank you so much.